So we are with Mrs. Shailja Shridhar, the passive for 55 minutes in Let's Run Gurgaon for today's events. Let's talk about her journey and her experience in running and this event and throughout this past journey. So Shailja, what is inspiring for in your life to be a part in and to get into running and in Let's Run Gurgaon?
Chiro is a good friend of mine, so when he asked me that, Shailja, will you come and pace the 55-minute bus, I was happy to come and do it. It's always nice to help people get across the finish line at the time that they want. Whenever I've run, I have always benefited from having a good pacer, so I try to do my best in that.
So, Shailja, what is apart from this passive run, what else passive runs you did, and what else is your experience in your life? Like what you did marathon, you were telling.
Yeah.
So, tell us about your journey.
So I've been running for about 3 years, and I picked up running marathons about 2 years ago, and then I was told as an amateur runner I should aspire to run the Boston Marathon and to qualify for it. So I trained hard last year and I qualified for Boston. And then this year I went to Boston and ran, and it was an amazing experience to run with those 50,000 people and with more than 1 million people cheering on the road. It is amazing. So now I want to maybe run all the world majors and improve my time a little bit and just enjoy the process of running in different places. In pursuit of that, I've been to Tokyo, I've been to Berlin. I'm going to, all those are full marathons, and I'm going to London for a holiday, but I'm hoping to run over there and run past all the iconic places.
So, it's like Shailja, Let's Run Gurgaon is the only organization you are associated with, or you keep associating with such organization and be a part of this running and cycling events?
I do not like to associate myself with one specific organization because everybody runs in all different places, and when you run in, like if I go to Hyderabad, the Hyderabad runners organize a run there called the Hyderabad Marathon. Then if you go to Chennai, they organize their own marathon. So you cannot say that you're associated with only one thing and one place, right? Because you want to travel, you want to experience new things, you want to be in new places and run in different places. I recently went to Shimla and ran a run there, which was really nice. Beautiful roads and very hilly though, but it was awesome fun.
Okay. So, be a lead here. What benefits you suggest people's, and how running improve your health, overall health?
Running obviously improves your cardiovascular health. Then it improves your whole system. You hopefully do not gain too much weight, and you become conscious about what you're eating, because once you exercise you realize how hard it is to lose weight and do everything. So on the whole it does, it's one of the easiest things to do. You don't need anything, you just need a pair of shoes and you can just go out for a run. You don't need a gym membership or anything fancy. All the road is yours.
So, being an amateur runner, what precautions you suggest to the new runners or upcoming runners, or the people who didn't run? What should you suggest and benefits them to when they benefited by running?
Easy running and starting slowly is always a good thing, and starting step by step, not immediately going and running 10k. You should run 3k and 5k and then progress to a 10k and then a half marathon. I don't advise people to immediately go for a long distance run without any training.
So, what else, the final message you want to, as in runner, you want to give to the people and the runner of the country?
I'd like to say that it's really good that if you're into an active lifestyle and you're active and outdoors, it makes you a better person. It makes you ecologically aware, environmentally conscious, because you're experiencing life outside as a normal person instead of just being in your car or being isolated in a house, and you become a better human being.
Thank you so much, Shailja. Thank you.